everyone, it's Thomas Byers speaking, Ceramic Pro, England, based in Shepperton. What we've got here, it's a brand new boat, probably going to see it. Scratches stay all over the place. We're going to look after that little beauty, Mary Fisher. If I'm pronouncing really well. It's a beautiful boat. It's nice and clean now. Obviously it's been steam clean, and I was using Ceramic Pro shampoo, which we've got fabulous effect. Beautiful mirror effect already. That shampoo is amazing. It's amazing. Alright, this is it for now. Obviously it's a lot of little scratches which we're gonna look after, and then we're gonna apply Ceramic Pro. Thank you for watching.